about to be so damn hot inside this car. Hurry up and turn on the car, turn on the AC, and I'm out. Yo, what is going on, guys? Sorry if the camera's like really close. I have no room in this 2000, but I just scooped up Marcel and we are currently about to go drop off my duck bill to get professionally painted at a shop in Lake Elsinore, which is like 30 minutes away. So yeah, I'm super stoked. This guy's a really badass E36 vert that he's currently putting over fenders on, and he has his own shop and everything, so should be pretty dope. And Marcel's yeah, got you the place. Here's the wing. I hella messed it up, so I am so grateful for this.
Wait, but where are we at right now, though? And what city, too?
Lake Elsinore.
Lake Elsinore. And what shop are we going to?
I thought it must be nice garage, so okay. I'll let him talk about it.
Angle.
Oh, shit, hold on. Hey, what's up, bro? Hey, you think I should be fine right there? I'm kind of like
sticking out a little bit. It's up to you, man.
These cars are parked hella.
Yeah, that kind of seems kind of low-key sketchy. And I don't think anybody out here has insurance, so.
Nah, YOLO.
This could be you, but you bought the S2000 instead.
That was the NA1, right?
No, it's RSX.
Yeah, guys, this is pretty dope. Nice little cool shop.
This is what we need. We have all the Bondo shit over there. We got plastic dip everywhere. Oh, is this another one?
So yeah, it's my man Gil. So he just saw that E36. It was pretty clean. What are you doing to right now? The over fenders?
Over fenders, wheels, more camber.
Okay, I'm down with that one.
That's gonna be sick. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have his Instagram right here. So make sure to go check out his Instagram page. And also, this is his garage, which is like really dope. Must be nice garage.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, what type of work?
Anything really, from body to paint to full custom, wide body, overs, cages, motor, whatever. We dream it, build it, I guess.
Yeah, guys, a lot of dope work. So I'll put his Instagram right here for his garage too. So yeah, I'm dropping off the bill right now. I'm gonna pick it up next week. So yeah, man, excited for it.
Want to do a quick walk around too? Was E30?
Yeah,
E36?
if you don't mind.
Oh yeah, go ahead, bro.
For sure. Yeah. That's a big ass power. Look.
So yeah, like he's currently doing over fenders, which is why it's like that right now.
And the first time I've seen like an actual clean cut, like precise as hell.
Yeah, dude. So you guys can even tell like how nice the work is just by that right now. So
yeah.
Over fenders gonna come out so wicked probably. So if you guys want to stick around for his build, Instagram right here. I mean, why wouldn't you hit him with a follow? Like, why wouldn't
see more of this thing right here? I do.
He's also selling those wheels, I think. I think I saw him post about that, so.
Say no more.
Alright guys, so just dropped off the duckbill. So they got some crazy shit going on. So yeah, I'm so excited to pick up the duckbill because I already know he's gonna do some good ass work on it. So
My skin.
yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna continue the video today, but I'm gonna for sure continue the video when I pick it up and show you guys and then throw the duckbill on. So yeah,
Man, we can continue the video. You come back and ollie the stair set right here.
and we could laser flip this.
My running post right here. Just fucking kick up over the rail. Street.
Bro, that's some skate 3 shit, dude.
That's some transworld shit.
Yo, that's so scary, dude.
Spooky season.
Oh, you put these shits on.
Guys, my boy Leo getting into the Halloween spirit early. Let's see.
We got pop-up headlights again.
So like right here.
Do we?
Oh my god. Yo, what is going on, guys? So it's a few days later and I picked up the wing. Came out so good, and there's a few smudges on it because I was touching right now, but yeah, way better than any work I could have ever done. So a huge shout out to Gil again. Like, damn. So all that's left is to throw it on. So guys, my favorite part, gotta take my time, cut up a bunch of pieces of tape, and yeah, spread it out nice and even all over the duckbill so it does not fly off. But guys, I'm so stoked. Like, just look at it. I think it should look pretty cool, even though it's not carbon fiber. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. All right, guys, finally done with all the taping. So now here comes the fun part, putting it on. Hopefully we get it nice and perfect first try because don't want to rip it off again. But yeah, guys, I'm stoked. I really think it's gonna look really good. So let's get it. Alright guys, the wing is on there first try, and whew, I know a lot of you guys were commenting like, oh, hydro dip it, wrap it in carbon, but guys,
Hydro dip.
yeah, I don't know what that is.
Oh, when they put inside
Yeah.
the like water shit.
Yeah. Like, so yeah, guys, those were good ideas, don't get me wrong, but I felt like black would look really clean, and well, it does. It looks so good. It makes the carbon pop, and just cause I think what makes it look so good is like actually professionally painted. It's not like rattle can, so it makes it look that much better, and it looks so good. It really flows well. I like it a lot. Guys, I was so what's the word, I had such a low self-esteem cruising around without the duckbill, but now I'm back. I know, guys, I know people were probably staring at the back of my trunk like, what the fuck, like that guy has holes and shit, but nah, I'm back, guys. We had to hunt it again. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's video. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. But yeah, again, I want to give a huge shout out to Gil, guys. Really down to earth guy, and he really hooked it up with this. So like, bro, if you're watching this, I can't thank you enough. And also guys, he does like a lot of work, you know, he's been in the game for a while, so he does painting. Like, he'll do a full paint on like a whole car if you guys want like a whole color change. He does custom body work. Like, if you can name it, guys, he probably does. He has a lot of experience in a lot of areas. Even wrap, I asked him if he wraps because I was thinking about wrapping my car after I get a few more carbon fiber parts, since it wouldn't be that much to wrap. And guys, it seems like he does it all. So he's located in Lake Elsinore, guys. If you guys are familiar with that area or nearby, hit him up. His Instagram's gonna be right here. So also, guys, that E36 I showed you in the front, that's his personal, and then his garage, it must be a nice garage. He just started, guys. He just got his garage recently. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, hit him up. If you guys need any work, That being said, that is a wrap for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like, and if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Like, we got a lot of shit coming. We're actually about to sand down and primer his engine bay on the 240, so look out for that video. We're about to go to the store right now. So yeah guys, we'll see you guys in the next video.